Hi, welcome back to our channel. Today is our first day here in Baguio. We're going to try the food, explore the city, trying out some cafes, and enjoy nature.
We're so excited to makababa ng car and explore the city. So nagpark kami sa Burnham Park. And then, pagdating namin sa first stop, meron pala mga parking around the cathedral. Reminder lang na kapag nagstay kayo over yung isang schedule ng mass, meron additional charge. Marami namang reminders dito sa cathedral.
So, we're here in Sky Toss and Bites, and we're gonna try their famous Abra miki to also adjust in the cold weather here in Baguio.
Ayaw mo?
Gusto.
Here on our second stop, ito tayo sa Foam Coffee. This is around Burnham Park pa din. And we tried their best sellers, which is yung tiramisu latte and Spanish latte. After finishing our coffees, naglakalakad muna kami sa Burnham Park and enjoy yung scenery. And then bumalik na rin kami sa Transient house namin.
Good evening, everyone! So, it's 6:18 p.m. Ganito nakadilim. And, pupunta kami sa Burnham Park. Itatry namin on our first day here in Baguio yung night market and Session Road night view. Check natin yung traffic. May konting traffic. Let's see.
Turned out, puno lahat ng parking around Burnham Park. So, pumunta kami sa SM Baguio. So, dumaan kami dito sa may Sky Ranch. And luckily, may parking pa. SM Baguio is unique and full of arts and murals like Baguio City itself. Isa pa is open air din ng SM Baguio. So, ni-utilize nila yung lamig ng city para palamigin yung common area. Sa higher floor naman ng SM Baguio, there we can see the Sky Terrace. So, dito maraming mga available na areas para mag-picture, pero this is seasonal for Christmas season. And meron din ditong view na makikita mo yung buong Baguio with the lights and yung lamig, mararamdaman mo talaga. So it's fun to visit and enjoy yung ambience and yung city light at night.
ulit kami dito sa Burnham Park to see yung view at night. And then, around here din yung kakainan namin ng dinner. Which is good taste. Let's see if may available. Then, pagkarating namin, hindi namin in-expect na ganito kadami yung pila. And since gutom na kami, we decided here sa Central Park Restaurant na lang mag-dinner.
It's dinner time and sobrang dami ng tao sa restaurant. Then nung dumating yung order, nagulat kami sobrang dami ng serving given its price. And for those thinking na baka madami lang hindi masarap, masarap talaga. Sobrang dami lang talaga ng serving that you had to take out. Nahirapan nga kaming ubusin yun sa plates namin.
Yes. After dinner, we decided na maglakad-lakad and itry yung night market dito sa Baguio. Located siya near sa Burnham Park. So, ang daming tao, even 9 p.m. na to ng gabi since night market starts at 9 p.m. And in the end, wala naman kami nabili, so we decided to go home. And that ends our day 1.